Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. On a recent flying visit to Essex we tried to go out on my brother's boat, but due to strong winds we weren't able to do so. So we made the time to have some dinner on there instead. But it gave us an opportunity as well to go and visit my brother-in-law's catamaran that he's been working on for the last year. I'll put a link in the description below of the previous video I did of my brother-in-law's boat, but this is the forward cabin that he's made from scratch. And he's cleared out the other cabins in preparation for converting them. So there's going to be a wet room, a bathroom and 2 other bedrooms. And here is all the cabinetry from the galley on one side and the chart plotter on the other side, and all the electronics. The outside is also looking pretty spectacular. He's now had the engine plumbed in. It's still to be run, but it's ready to go. Still needs one more coat on the outside, but the paint scheme is chosen this grey. Looks really good. And although I didn't get any video of it, the top deck has been sprayed white and it's looking excellent. They've just got some work being done in the cockpit area under the bimini in order to install some new electronics so that he can control the boat with some new equipment from the helm. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.